Well, hello and welcome back to Miniature Vlogmas Day 9. Today I'm going to be making Christmas stockings. To begin, I've drawn and cut out a stocking from paper card, but we need two, so I'm going to use this one as a stencil and cut out another one. Now it's the fun part, time to choose our material. So I've picked out all of my sort of Christmassy materials that I have, and I'm going to decide which one to use. I've decided to use this blue velvet material. I really like it, and the other ones were quite thick, so I thought that they would be difficult to use. Now I'm just going to use my stencils that I made to cut out stockings in the material. This should leave you with the front and back of a stocking ready for us to sew together. So time to get out the sewing kit. I've put my front and back pieces together facing inside out, and I'm going to sew all the way around the edge of the stocking, but I'm leaving the top piece open, and you'll see why in just a moment. Here is the stocking which I finished sewing all the way around, and now it's time for the tricky part, which is turning it inside out. You may need to use a pen or a pencil like I am just to push the final bits through. And now I'm going to add some more Christmassy details to my stocking, so I'm going to add a fluffy trim around the top. To do this, I'm going to cut a piece of the material and glue it around the top of my stocking. Now I need to add a little loop to hook it onto my fireplace, so I'm cutting a piece of string and I'm going to fold it in half and then glue it into my stocking. This is my finished stocking ready for the fireplace, and that is the end of day 10 Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye.